Can I have your name and which company you're from?
Okay, my name is Rajesh and I'm from Rupenius. Basically, we are into interior designing studio. Basically, we are into a lot of kind of projects like residential, commercial, retail, exhibitions, and all. We've been in this industry from past 6 to 7 years now, and serving the client like PVR to Dell 24/7, and a lot of other clients, and consistently doing well with all the clients like PVR and all. We are there from past 7 years with PVR. We are there with Frontline Analysts, another 6 years over there. So it's a great thing, like when the brand, like big brand, like recognizing our services and appreciating our all the hard work which has been paid off. I mean, so today is a good day for us, and really happy for the thing which is the achievement we have got it over there. This is our second award, in fact. The first we got it for the best interior design in retail, and this is the best interior designing for the studio. We have got it over there. So that's all.
So how do you feel that your efforts have finally, been recognized that with such a magnificent platform?
Definitely, there is for all the other services. They have a lot of different brands and all to recognize over here. Pretty very happy that Big Brand Research came forward and recognizing a SME segment most preferably, and which is a great thing, in fact, for boosting up our services. At least somewhere we are getting recognized rather than client individually appreciating us. Like, it's been open to the world, like, okay, fine, these guys are doing some good jobs over there. So that will definitely will give us a mileage in our business, and obviously in the name and all the way, right?
So also, how do you feel sharing the platform with Mr. Shashi Tharoor? I mean, he's a very big personality, and sharing the platform with him is a huge thing. So how do you feel?
That's great. Mrs. Shashi Tharoor, what I can say, I'm a big fan of them, and what is the role from being such an intelligent member of parliament, plus did such an incredible job, and so honored to get this award from him and recognized by him, and on his presence this was there. So it was really top of the world, like.
So do you have any message for our audience?
Thank you very much for all these years, and thank you very much for appreciating our works, and we'll do the same, continuing with the best of best what we can do it in this service excellence. And in terms of interior designing, again, we'll be performing what exactly we are doing right now.
Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations again.
Thank you.